Hi everyone, and congratulations on completing your first semester of the DNP program. For this course, you will now be moving forward with the completion of your literature review for your DNP scholarly project. So as we get started, just please go to the Start Here tab to review the course documents, including the timeline for the completion of the assignments. For this course, one of the first requirements is to meet with me, either virtually or in person, to discuss the timeline for completion of assignments. Please feel free to contact me by email, phone, or text so we can set up that initial appointment. This course is a little different than some of your previous courses. We don't have modules. You will find the course materials in the Start Here and Course Materials tab, and all completed assignments for this course will be uploaded within the Assignment tab. In addition, don't forget to submit all your forms within both the assignment tab within this course, the forms that are required, along with those that are required for the portfolio. You will need to upload those in the portfolio as well. So throughout Nursing 790, you will be working directly with your team and me. You will also need to complete a total of 150 practicum hours this semester, excluding your transfer and certification hours. The primary assignment includes the completion of your Chapter 1 draft, coordination of the draft and review process with your team, completion of your final chapter number 1, as well as your first PowerPoint presentation for your DNP committee, where you're actually going to be providing an overview of the plan for your project. So you will need to work with all 3 of your committee members to establish a date and time for that PowerPoint presentation. So think ahead and start planning and set up a date early on so that you can make sure that everyone is available. So please carefully review those rubrics for the chapter number 1 draft and the chapter 1 final and the presentation. So please don't hesitate to contact me if I can assist you in any way. Again, just take a good look at those rubrics. We'll meet and we'll talk about the course itself, and we'll move forward from there. So thank you so much for your time, and welcome.